Besides adding visuals from the chart section, conditional formatting is another great way to add additional insights and KPIs using colors and icons. As an example, let's go ahead and select Sales and Forecast and come up to conditional formatting. To start with, we can see that there are two quick rules that allow you to show either positive or negative. Plus, you can observe in the actual matrix itself a preview of what the conditional formatting will look like before you actually apply it. Continuing down the list, we have color scales as well. Let's take a look at the sequential color scale for blue here. You can also see we have options for qualitative, diverging, continuous, or continuous diverging. Additionally, we have great options for classifications as well. At a basic level, we can show text classifications. We also have various icon sets such as flags, arrows, or even a star rating system. And last but not least, we have a series of data bars available that can choose between any of these primary colors by default, and as you observe the data bars in the matrix table, you can see that even a color gradient is applied. If you want to go the more advanced route, you do have the ability to create a rule from scratch or manage any of the existing rules. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and apply a data bar and see the menu that opens up. From the menu here, you can see that there are many different options to be able to choose what type of calculation to apply this to or where to apply it, whether or not to include any of the totals in the calculation, plus, if desired, even an ability to hide the value as well. And as mentioned, there are many options for advanced rules that can be set up using the Rules and Conditions option, where you can set up any number of rules, formatting, or customizations for the cell, the icons, or anything else in the Style section, and as many conditions and as rules that are necessary between and or operators to configure the rule set for this.